Nokia is a very old and great smartphone manufacturing company. After missing for a few years, Nokia is going to launch another great smartphone in the market. If you are looking for a smartphone, which can be fully charged in 15 minutes, and has a 200 megapixel camera, then your search is about to be fulfilled. Yes, we are talking about Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G smartphone. In this phone you are going to get the features of a flagship smartphone at a low price. So if you also want to buy this phone, then watch this video till the end. Because, in today's video we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this great smartphone. So let's get started. Features of Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G. A 6.9-inch Super AMOLED display has been installed inside this Nokia smartphone, which comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection. Apart from this, it will have a refresh rate of 144 Hz, a touch sampling rate of 240 Hz, and an in-display fingerprint sensor. Camera setup. If we talk about the camera quality of the smartphone, then inside it you will get to see a setup of 4 cameras at the back, whose main camera is going to be 200 megapixels. Apart from this, 3 other cameras of 50 megapixels, 32 megapixels, and 8 megapixels have been installed in it. At the same time, if we talk about its selfie camera, then you will get to see a 50 megapixel front selfie camera. Processor. If we talk about the processor of the mobile, then Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 5G processor has been installed in it. And if we talk about the operating system, then you get to see Android 15 operating system in it. Battery backup. Nokia has given you strong battery backup inside it. You get to see a powerful battery of 7500 mAh inside it, which supports 85-watt quick charger. Price or launch date. If we talk about the price of this mobile, you will get to see it around $600. And if we talk about the launch date, no official information has been received about it till now.